Ever wish you could snag that ASOS haul now and pay for it later in smaller, bite-sized amounts? Today, we're diving into how to use Clearpay, also known as Afterpay, to make your ASOS shopping even more flexible. First, after you've filled your ASOS cart with all your must-haves, proceed to the checkout page. On the payment method section, you'll see various options. Look for and select Clearpay. If you're already a Clearpay user, simply log in new to Clearpay. You'll be prompted to quickly sign up, which usually involves providing a few basic details. Once logged in or signed up, Clearpay will display your payment schedule, typically showing for equal installments, with the first payment due immediately. Review the payment details carefully, then confirm your purchase. Congratulations! Your ASOS order is now placed. To keep track of your payments, download the Clearpay app or log into your account online here. You can view your past orders, see your upcoming payment dates, and even make early payments if you choose. Clearpay makes it incredibly convenient to manage your budget while still enjoying all the latest trends from ASOS. So go ahead, shop smart, and enjoy the ease of Clearpay on your next ASOS splurge.